Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fake sprinkles at home. So let's get started. The things you will need are some scissors, a container to store your sprinkles in, and some rubber bands. I'm using Rainbow Loom rubber bands, but any colorful rubber bands will work. Now, this DIY is pretty straightforward. Basically, what you're doing is cutting your rubber bands into tiny sprinkled shaped pieces. I find the easiest way to do this is to wrap 7 rubber bands around your index fingers and spin your fingers around, just like that. Now you have to stick your thumb into the rubber bands and carefully remove them from your other index finger and transfer the rubber bands to your thumb. Now use your scissors to cut all of the rubber bands in half. Now you should end up with something like this. All that's left is to cut each individual rubber band into tiny sprinkled shaped pieces. Each piece should look like a sprinkle. I've gotta admit, doing this took at least 2 hours, but this is a great way to kill time during this quarantine, because I know that most of you guys are feeling bored right now. After a while, this is how your fake sprinkles should look like. They are so cute and they do look pretty realistic. Now just pop the lid on and save your sprinkles for later. Alright, that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications on so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Also, hit that like button if you want to see more DIY videos from my channel. Stay home and stay safe. I love you guys so much. Bye!